Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Demi. Hello everyone. Hello. Hi all my new friends, old friends. Welcome to my channel today. And this is Demi. We are from Doing Company. Here I will introduce the PCB board recycling machine to you everyone. So if you do have any question during this live Zoom, just put your question in the comment area. Otherwise, you can connect with my customer service. Thanks for you guys coming to our live show. This is Demi. This time I will introduce our PCB board recycling machine to everyone. According to this live Zoom, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. Hello IG, hello PL. Welcome to my channel, honey. Welcome everyone to our live show for now. So we are from Doing Company. We already have the 13 years experience to product some equipment. If you are interested about our PCB board recycling machine or just interested about our copper cable wire recycling machine, you can just connect with my customer service. And also today we will send you the free things with you. Thanks for your coming. Welcome. How are you doing? Okay, at this time let me just introduce our equipment to you first. Before I will introduce more details to you, I just want to share our company to you first. Yes, Doing Company already have the 13 years experience about the equipment, and also we are not only to product some environmental equipment, we also product some food equipment, we also product some oil equipment. So if you're interested, you can just give me a follow in the upper left button. Just click the follow button. And also everybody, you can just double tap the screen, send me more likes according to this live Zoom. If you think this live Zoom is helpful for you, you can just connect with our customer service here as well. Thanks for your coming everyone. So later I will show you the PPT about the PCB board recycling machine. Just make sure you can understand each detail about our equipment. And also you can just give us a follow in the future. I will show you the factory in our new factory in our workshop. And also I will show you some new equipment in our workshop as well. Thanks for everyone come to my live show today. And right now, if you do interested about other equipment, you can just connect with my customer service here. Thanks for your coming. And the first part, before I introduce our equipment to you, I want to let you know we have our own engineer team. It's more than 20 years. It's more than 20 people. These people, they only have one job, is like to find the problem and to fix the problem. So our machines, we don't have the first, we don't have the second. All the machines is new because our manager side, the quality always is the first, always the first. We hope everybody trust us, hope everybody will buy our equipment from our company. And also if you want to come to China to test running the machines, we are welcome. And also if you're interested about other equipment, also you can just test running. And later I would like to show you more details about our equipment. So the first part is right here. I will show you the PCB recycling machine. You can see this part is right here. In here, I will introduce the different kind of the raw materials about the shredder, and also I will show you the different raw materials about the crusher. Hi Moner, welcome Moner. Oh my god, you're from DZ. Thanks, I will send you the catalog, honey. I will send you the catalog. Moner, I just introduced the PCB board recycling machine here. If you have time, please stay here for a moment. I just let you make sure let you understand about this one, okay? So first part, I would like to share the PCB board recycling machine. And from here you can see we have the scrap PCB circuit PCB board recycling machine. First, we just after we remove the electrical components, we have the bare PCB board. This is a PCB bare board here. And also we will go into the crusher. I'm looking line transfer rapid pyrolysis. Oh honey, you are interested about our pyrolysis things? Are you interested about our pyrolysis equipment? If you are interested, I also can introduce that equipment to you right now. Okay, so for our pyrolysis machines, we have the batch type pyrolysis machines. Also, we have the continuous pyrolysis machines. You are looking for the line transfer repeat and the pyrolysis. Oh, you want to looking for this. This is a kind of the materials, I think. Or you want to get these raw materials to get the pyrolysis oil or what? Can you just make clear about your question? Can you just make clear about your question, honey? So I can help you immediately. Also, you can just connect with my customer service. They will send you a professional sales manager, and the professional sales manager will answer your question more professional. PET flake to okay, let me check it. What is it? Okay, honey, just wait 1 second. Everybody, welcome to our live show. This is Demi. Today I just introduced our PCB board recycling machine, PET flake to polyester. I think that is a kind of the raw materials about the things, but yeah, polyester. Yeah, polyester. Okay, I get it. But today, the polyester is not in this live room, honey. We have another account. Can you just connect with my customer service so they will send you the account so you can see the other live show? Honey? Yes, I'm not sure I'm not sure I get your meaning or not. Alright. I will let my customer service to help you. Okay, my customer service will connect to you right now. Just wait 1 second. I already let my customer service connect with you. Okay, so my customer service will connect with you right now. Hello Armand, welcome back. Oh my god, I think you are the second time in my live show, Armand. Hello friends. And also guys, welcome to my channel. This is Demi. I just introduced our PCB board recycling machine to everybody. If you are interested about these machines, you can connect with my customer service so you will get some documents about these machines. And during this live Zoom, Armand, especially you, if you do have any question, I will appreciate to help you to deal with this problem. Okay, so the bare board will go into the shredder. This is a shredder. This is the double shaft shredder. This kind of the shredder can crush the PCB board into 3 to 5 centimeters. 3 to 5 centimeters. After the shredding, after the first shredding, we will go to the belt conveyor. So the belt conveyor will transfer these machines go into the crusher. This is a crusher. After the crusher, they will crushing this PCB board into 2 to 3 centimeters. So we want to make the pieces very small. And then the hammer crusher will have a sieving under the button. They will have a sieving here. So if the piece is not reached to 2 to 3 centimeters, they will come back to the crusher and crush it one more time. Just make sure the piece is very small and very well, and then we will transfer using the belt conveyor, go into the second crusher. But before the second crusher, we will have the magnetic machine here. This machine, we will remove some airing. After we remove the airing, we will go to the second. This is the hammer slash crushing. We will make the PCB board piece into 2 to 3 into 4 millimeters. After the 4 millimeters, also they have a sieving under the button. So if the piece is not reached to 4 millimeters, they will go back to the crusher and crush it one more time. And also they will go into the eddy vibrating here. They will go into the eddy vibrating. This eddy vibrating will select the PCB pieces into the 20 mesh. Yes, you are not here wrong. That is 20 mesh. Hi. Yes, I'm right. I have already connect one of the customer service replaces and yes, you already follow me, and last time you connect with my customer service. Okay, I will let my customer service reply for you immediately. Okay, so maybe in this time already they have a lot of the foreigner to come to our company, so that is why our sales manager, they are very busy. Maybe they will reply for your message a little bit late. Just forgive us. Alright, just forgive us. So in the future we are trying to make this more frequently. Thanks for your coming, everyone. If you are interested about the PCB board recycling machine, here I will introduce more details. So this eddy vibrating, they have the 20 mesh. If the piece is not reached to 20 mesh, they will go back to the crusher, crush it again. And then if they reach to 20 mesh, they will go to the next step, is air separation. But I have to say, this second crusher is just make the PCB board piece into very small, like 20 mesh. Just make it like a powder, like a powder, like that kind of things. And then they will go into the air separation. After the cyclone dust, they will go to the eddy vibrating. After that eddy vibrating, they will go into the air separation. Hi IT, welcome IT to my channel. Hello new friends, welcome to my channel here. If you are interested about our equipment, thanks for everyone. Thanks for everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thanks. Thanks, CH. Welcome to my channel. Everybody, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. And also during this live stream, if you are interested about our equipment, just try to make sure this question clear, and I will introduce for you more clearly as well. And this is a cyclone dust, and then they will go to the air separation. They will go into the air separation, and after that the air separation will separate the mixed metals and the resin and fibers. This is a vibrating screen. See, this is a shaking thing, just like if the piece reached to 20 mesh, they will go to the next step. If the mesh is the piece is more than 20 mesh, they will go back to the other things. And then the air separation. This is the air separation. They will separate the resins and the fibers and the metals. These metals is contain the coppers and contain the alumina and contain the gold, contain the silver. So this is a mixed metals. So for these metals, some people they will go into the metals market and also for other places. After that, some people they will separate the resin and fibers one more time. So these resins and fibers will go into the electronic separation. This separation we are using the negative to transfer that. Just make sure they don't have the air pollution. So for the electric separation, they will go to the electronic separation, and then they will separate the metals and the resins and the fibers one more time. So for these machines, they are very well, and they get a great things. Welcome new friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I hope you guys will enjoy about our live show. I hope that you will enjoy about that. Thanks for you guys coming. Thanks for your coming today. And right now I will show you the PC. I will show you one PPT. Just make sure you guys can know more details about our equipment, like the details, the different kind of the details about the equipment, and the different kind of the equipment about the different raw material, different things. So first we can see this is our PCB board recycling machine. We are from Doing company. This is our Doing logo. Just like here, this is Doing logo and this is Doing logo here. We already have the 13 years experience about this equipment, and according to this equipment, if you are interested, you can come to our workshop. You can test the machines in the factory, and you will see the separation rate, like how many metals you will have, how many the resins and fibers you will have. But I have to say the raw materials you need to prepare by yourself, because we are the manufacturer, just product some equipments. We don't have the raw materials. Why? Because everybody they have the different raw materials. Like the people they have the PCB board, some people they have the scrap bead board, some people they have the bare board, some people they have the board with the electric components. So that is very different. So that is why you need to prepare these raw materials by yourself. Thanks for your likes, honey. Thanks for your likes. And then let me just show you this one. The PCB board recycling machine, first, some people they are choosing to using the electronic components, this melting machine first, because they want to remove the PCB, they want to remove the electronic components first. Why? Just let me show you the board. Okay, just let me find a board and show you. I have a board, it's right here. Okay, just like this way. The board here, just like this way, they have some electronic components on the top here, like they have some coppers, they have some airings, and also they have some this kind of things. This all we call that is the electronic components. So if we want to remove this one first, we need to remove this one using the electronic components, this melting machine, and we will heat it by using the natural gas or using the electric. What is the two difference? For the natural gas, they are very fast and the efficiency is very high, but for the electric, they are not so fast like the natural gas, and also for these things they have some they can clean it very properly. If you're using the natural gas, they will burn they will burn over, like they will become black, and they will hit the PCB board as well. So some people they choose using the electric, some people they are using the natural gas. That is two different. Thanks for everyone come to our live show. If you guys are interested about our equipments, just click the first follow button and give me some equipments. Okay, so let me show you next picture is right here. This is electronic components. Okay, this is a PCB board, this melting machine. How did these machines working? First, they will put the PCB board with the electronic components into these big tons, and then they will heat it. Just make the temperature reach to 200 degrees, and then they will start to rotation, just like turn. Bigger and bigger, they will have a fibers, and then they will get the electronic components. It's right here. This kind of materials is electronic components. So that is why some people they choose this equipment. And then this is a videos about how this PCB board recycling machine working. First, this supposed to be have the control cabinet. This cabinet can control the whole processing line about the electronic components machines, and then they put the bare board in. They will close the door, and then when the temperature reach to 200 degrees, they will start to rotation. After rotation, they will get the electronic components. So that is the way about how did we become the scrap PCB board into the PCB base board into the PCB bare board. So that is the working procedure. That is a working procedure about this equipment. Thanks for everyone come to our live show. If you do have any equipments about our machines, you can just connect with our customer service. Also, if you do have any question, just connect with my customer service here as well. Thanks for everyone. So this is the working procedure about the PCB board recycling machine. And then let me show you the next step. It's right here. This one we will get some baseboard and the electronic components. That is all the procedure we are showing for you before we using the PCB board recycling machine. So that is all the procedure is for how to get the bare board. I hope you will separate these two machines are different, okay? And then we get the bare board, we get the baseboard, we will using the PCB recycling machine. Just like the picture I show you. This is a big PCB board recycling machine. Yes, by the way, our capacity I have to tell you from here. For our PCB board recycling machine, we have 100 until 115 kilogram per hour, and also we have the 4 tons per hour. So if you need the large one, we have the 4 tons. If you want the small one, we have the 100 until 115 kilogram per hour. At least one day you will deal with 1 tons to 1.5 tons according to these two machines here. And then let me show you the next part. Hello new friends, hello. They didn't give me the people here. Why? Thanks for everyone come to our live show. If you do have any interesting things, you can connect with my customer service. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live show here. Okay guys, if you do have any question, just connect with my customer service here. Thanks for everyone come to our live show here. Just wait 1 second. I will introduce our equipment for you very well. Okay guys, so this is our PCB board recycling machine, and later let me show you other things. And also this is a PCB board recycling machine here. Okay, let me just try to using this word first. Thanks for everyone to our live show here. Oh, really? Okay. So let me introduce this one for you. Okay, so according to this PCB board recycling machine, that is a processing line. For this processing line, we have the different parts to connect it. Like we have the shredding machine, we have the crushing machine, we have the air separation machines, also we have the eddy vibrating machines. So according to these machines, you will connect the whole processing line. And also we have the pore starts collection machines, and also we have the pore starts removal system about these machines. That is all the machines for this equipment. And also we have the products is the mixed metals and the resins and the fibers. For the raw materials, we have the PCB bare board scrap board here. So according to this live show, if you are interested about our equipment, you can just connect with my customer service. Why they only give me the 14 people and didn't send me new people here? Anyway, okay, let me show you next part. This is our PCB board recycling machine. Right now I show you this picture is contain our electronic separation machines, and also for cyclone machines we have the post dust collection machines. That is the way we take this picture from the background. The electronic components, electronic separation machines is the last step. And then this is right here. This is the products here. These products we will get it. Recycle scrap PCB print circuit board, PCB leftover, and other copper plate to separation metals and non-metals. The metals include many different types of the precious metals, which could bring a big benefit to the user. So the products metals, they are very they have a lot of things. They have a lot of the materials, different type of the precious metals. And then the scrap PCB boards and the PCB leftovers, they will go into the metals. The metals is contain the AU, AG, CU, PT, PD, etc. And also the non-metals is resins and fibers. So that is the totally different. And then let me show you the products picture. This is a mix of metals. We can see the different colors is right here. For the gold color is the coppers, for the white colors is alumina. But some people, they have the gold inside here as well. Some materials, they have the silvers inside as well. Different raw materials, they will get the mixed metals from this live show. And then let me show you this one. Let me show you the next picture about this equipment. This is the resins and the fibers. Hello new friends, finally they sent me a new friends here. Hi Bridge Mahant, welcome to my channel. I think you are from Malaysia. Yeah, I hope I'm right. Hi Scott. Hi Scott, hello Scott, welcome to my channel. Scott, how are you? Which country are GB? Can you tell me, Scott? Welcome to my live Zoom. If you can hear me, just put yes in the comment area. Hi Scott. Hi. Oh my god, finally I get to nice people here. United Kingdom. Oh, it's England. Kingdom, United Kingdom. It's England or England. Oh my god. Let me translate. Oh my god, finally they sent me one people. I think today they didn't send me people here. Yeah, it's England. I get it. Thanks, you're so nice, honey. You're so nice. You're so nice. And also, this is the live Zoom from Doing Company. You are choosing the solid machine new. What is that? Thanks, Scott. You are so nice from our live from here. Thanks, my England friends. And also today the products is the resins and the fibers. After the resins and the fibers, they will get all the products from these videos. And later, let me show you the 3D videos is right here. This is the 3D videos. They have the machines we put the scrap PCB board. Also, we put the PCB base board. Hi, new friends. How are you today? How are you? Scott, oh my God, that's you. You come back and see me again. Thanks for your come back here. I'm so happy for now. Oh, finally I get a nice people. They send me a nice people here. And this is a 3D video. Anyway, I will show you another 3D videos because I think that is so hard to show you. Like this 3D videos is right here. So this is a 3D video about our PCB board recycling machine. For this machine, we will have the PCB bare board, and then after the PCB bare board, go into the first shredder. After the first shredder, they will go to the second crusher. This is a crusher. This crusher raw material, the materials we are using the 16.5 mm. That is materials from chemical, and this materials is very hard and very flexible and very great to using for the PCB board things. And then they will go to the second crusher. Before they go to the second crusher, they will have the magnetic remover, magnetic separator. This one just remove some areas. This is the second hammers. These hammers will crush some things. And this is a post dust collection. This is a cyclone collection, and also we're using the double collection about the dust. So you don't need to worry about they have the air pollution or other pollutions. For our machines, this is very environmental to using this kind of machines. And also this kind of the machines, I have to say, you can use that for a long time, and also you can use that to as very nice and beautiful. This is electronic separation. So that is all the 3D videos here. Okay, I already showed you the 3D videos. Anyway, I will show you the PPT again. So that is the PLC control cabinet. So from this cabinet, they will have some other things like this kind of the PLC control cabinet. They can control the whole processing line. They will open the shredder, they will open the crusher from one control system. So that is very useful and very convenient for you to control the whole processing line. And this one we're using the PLC control. Okay, this is our double shaft shredder. This is our double shaft shredder. You can see they have a lot of the knife here. This kind of knife we have using to the materials is at H13. This H13 materials also can crush the PCB board very well and more hard. It's not easy to broken. You can using it for a long time, because as we all know, the double shaft shredder or the crusher is easy to change. So for those things, we are using the great quality things. And also our shredding machine knife materials is each gun 13. This kind of the knife wear well, and the knife will use at least 3 to 4 months. It's easy to change it, easy disassembly and replacement. After shredding the PCB board, they will go into the crusher. Between the shredder and the crusher, they will have a belt conveyor to transfer. Yes, this is a belt conveyor will transfer about this equipment here. Hi new friends, hello, welcome to our live show. If you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. Okay, so let me continue to introduce this part for you. This is a double shaft shredder, and then we will go to the double shaft shredder. This is the outside, how the outside looking. And also according to the shredder, we have the electronic reducer. This is the things we will easy to control the speed about the shredder. So we will have 1 or 2 the reducer. This kind of the machines we have to have it because it's easy for us to control the materials. And then this is a hammer crusher. This kind of the hammer crusher, they have the they look like a hammer. And also this is a crusher, they are using the short knife. Why we using the short knife? Because the short knife can work for a long time and the short knife is not easy to broken. For the crusher, if you're using the long knife, they will be broken in the middle, they will be broken on the forward, they will be broken in the back. So that is very not great for us. So that is why we are using the hammer crusher here. And then we will go into the next part. This is a magnetic separator. This magnetic separator, we have the different kind of the steel, and as you can see, this is the single magnetic separator. Also we have the double layers magnetic separator, and also we have the forever magnetic separator. That all is using for remove the airings. That is all using for remove the airings. And then this is a hammer crusher, how it look like outside, how these machines look like outside. It's like they are not straight, they have a wave into the hammer crusher. If you have the time, you can come to our workshop and to see these machines. I will introduce very well to you, and you will touch it, you will feel it. And also for our equipment, for our workshop is more than 14,000 square meters in Jiaozuo Wuzhi. That is a great workshop. And also we have more than 100 workers work there. If you want to come to our company, or if you want to come to our factory, we are welcome for you to see this equipment. Okay, so let me show you next one. This is a hammer crusher. This crusher will crush the PCB board into the 4 millimeters. After this crusher, they will go into the next step. And also this crusher will just make sure that you can broken this kind of the materials into very small pieces. It's 4 millimeters. Just like those, just like this is very small and very small pieces. For next step is easy to separation, because if they have the powder, sorry guys, if they have the powder things, they supposed to be have this. Thanks for everyone come to our live show, and let me continue to introduce these equipments for you. Hello new friends, hello. Why they didn't give me some people? Okay, so let me introduce these things. That also is a hammer crusher here. This is how the hammer crusher look outside. This is a street. This is our eddy vibrating. For this eddy vibrating, they will select the PCB board into the 20 mesh. 20 mesh is very small pieces. Everybody know the mesh is a very special number, the things to using for the numbers. If the numbers is more big, the mesh is more small. And then we will go into this eddy vibrating. This eddy vibrating will help us to select the 20 mesh things, and then they will go to the air separation. We are using the negative transfer the mix the metals and resins and the fibers to this eddy vibrating, and also just make sure they didn't have more air pollution or other things. And then they will go to the air separation is right here. This is the air separation. These machines just separate the mixed metals and the resins and the fibers. And also for these machines, they suppose had some other things, like these machines they will separate the plastic and alumina as well, plastic and coppers as well. So this is the machines is not only using for the PCB board recycling machine, also using for the copper cable wire recycling machine. So that is a great machines here. And then after the air separation, they will go into the electrostatic separator. This is our electrostatic separation. These machines, they are using the high voltage. They are using the high voltage stick electricity, just separate the conductor and the non-conductor materials. So the way, because some people they want to get all the mixed metals, so they choose using the electronic separation. This machine can reduce the rate of the mixed metals lost. Everyone knows the mixed metals is the leaf part, so we can use the electrostatic separation it. Separate it. The electrostatic separation device separates the conductor and non-conductor materials through the high voltage static electric. So that is the one. Guys, do you still have any question? If you have any question, just put your question in the comment area. Why? The internet is different or what? Why they didn't give me the people? Oh, everybody working for now. Maybe I will wait for few minutes. Just wait for some people is come to our live show. Thanks everybody to come to our live show. Let me watch more details. So when some people come to our live show, I will introduce these things for you. Manufacture direct sales cable recycling. Doing manufacture direct sale cable recycling machines, automatic wire granulate processing plant separation coppers from the plastic. Yeah, this is one materials, and then we have the other one. We have the full automatic e-waste circuit board extraction recycling plant separate metals and resin fibers on scrap board for sale. So this is a machine, and also this machine we are using the high voltage. So if you are interested about these two machines, you can connect with my customer service for now. I hope some people will give me some hard time. I will introduce this one for you immediately. And then this is a porous dust collection. For the porous dust collection, this is our very popular machines. When this machine is running, when the other machine is running, like the crusher, like the shredder, this machine begin to collect the dust. Yes, for the shredder or for the crusher, they will begin to collect the dust. From our camera, we can see this machine is connect with the tubes. So when the machine is working, this one will collect the dust. Therefore, our machines are not polluted. We do not have the water pollution, the light pollution, air pollution, even though sound pollution. And this is our TAP 600, and the largest electrical machinery is the largest machines is the 4 tons per day, and this machine is 600 per day. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live show. If anybody can hear me, or if you can hear me, just click the follow button with me. Thanks for everyone come to our live show here. Okay, let me continue to introduce this one for you. So this is our machines here. This is the dust collection, also using the cyclone to collect the dust. And this is the machines, is a videos to show you guys how this machine working. Let me just try to show it for you. First, through the PCB board into the big crusher, into the big shredder here. And then the large one on the top here, this is a magnetic remove. Okay. So let me show you from the beginning until the end. See this porous dust collection, they have the tube connect with the shredder and connect with the crusher here. And then they will go to the eddy vibrating. After eddy vibrating, go into the air separation. You can see they have the mixed metals come out. This is a mixed metals come out, you can see. And then go into the other side, we'll get the resins and the fibers. You can see they look like a powder. They directly connect the electronic separation, electrostatic separation. So we can make the separation rate reach to 99.99%. After that, we'll go into, we already separate the mixed metals and other things. This is our outside coolant. This is our coolant from India, and also we are not only have the customers from India. We have a lot of the coolant over the world, like India, like Malaysia, like Singapore, like South Africa, like England, like American. We all have those people get our equipment. And also because we are the manufacturer, if you choose our equipment, we supposed to give you some discount. And also for our equipment, you can get very, very high quality with our equipment. And also guys, do you still have any question about our equipment? If you have a question, just click the follow buttons and connect with me. Guys, put your question in the comment area. Just make sure you are clear about our equipment here. So that is all for this PPT show you. I think I got another videos. Just let me double check about these videos here. So that is not a videos. That is not a videos. Alright, that is not a videos as well. 1, 2, 3. Only have one videos here. Actually, I think I put a lot of videos here. But anyway, if you guys don't have question, I will finish this live show after 4 minutes. If you have the question, just put your question in the comment area for now. Let me just introduce this equipment for you as well. Okay. Let me show you our videos here one more time. This is our PCB board resecting videos, 3D videos. Do you still have any question about these videos? Put the bare board into the first shredder just like this. And then they will have the crusher here as well. Just like this. After that they will have other materials also for the scrap board just like this. Yeah, this is a 3 different kind of board, and also if you have different raw materials, you also can connect with ours. If you want to test the running about your machines, we will welcome about this equipment here. Thanks for everyone come to our live show. Do you guys still have any question? This machine is the second crusher. This second crusher will connect these machines very well. And this is a cyclone dust collection, eddy vibrating. After the eddy vibrating, go into the air separation. Thanks for everyone come to our live show for today. If you have any question, just connect with our customer service. If no question, just leave your message to our customer service here as well. Because this live Zoom almost finished here. I want to get it long, but nobody has said hi to me and nobody have the question here. And if someday you can see this live show, I hope you will enjoy that. Okay, the 3D videos are finished. Let me show you one more time. First, the bare board will go into the double shaft shredder. After the double shaft shredder, will go into the first hammer crusher. After the first hammer crusher, will go into the second hammer crusher. The first hammer crusher can broken the PCB board into the 2 to 3 centimeters. After 2 to 3 centimeters, will go into the second crusher. It will go into the 4 millimeters. After the 4 millimeters, they will go into the eddy vibrating. This eddy vibrating, we are using the negative transfer because this is the way we can just prevent the air pollution. And also for these machines, after that they will go into the eddy vibrating. Eddy vibrating will select the 20 mesh. If these machines more than 20 mesh, they will go into the next step, air separation. If not reach to 20 mesh, they will go back into the second crusher and crush it again. So that is different about this equipment. And then the part go into the air separation will get the mixed metals and the resins and fibers. That is two different kind of things, resins and fibers. And the resins and the fibers, they supposed to have very small pieces into the these materials, and then they will go into the electronic separation. Go into the electronic separation, they will get the resins and the fibers one more time, and then they will get the mixed metals. Just make sure they have very properly about these equipments, very properly separation rate, very high separation rate about these machines. So that is all for PCB board recycling machine introduction for today. If you want to get more information from our live show, you can just give us a follow in the future. I will bring you guys into our workshop and show you different equipments. From the camera, I will let you know the different materials about these equipments. And if you want to come to our company, and if you want to get these equipments, you can just connect with our customer service, also can connect with our sales manager. They are more professional about the equipments. And also in our company, we have more than 20 people's engineer team, technical team as well. They will produce the new equipments here. So this is all for today's live stream. Hope you guys will know it, and hope you guys will come to China and enjoy this live show and enjoy our equipments here. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks for everyone watching this live show. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.